Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by using a cheap USB Bluetooth adapter so your PC gains wireless capability. This is the core workaround when onboard Bluetooth is absent. Plug the dongle into a USB port and let Windows or your OS install drivers automatically, because proper drivers enable pairing. If automatic install stalls, download the adapter's driver from the vendor and install it. Once done, make sure the adapter appears in Device Manager. This step converts your wired-only PC into a Bluetooth-capable machine. Now you pair the controller through the new adapter. Put your controller into pairing mode using its button combo so it broadcasts a signal. The why is simple: only discoverable devices can sync. Open Bluetooth settings on your PC and choose Add Device or Pair New Device, because the OS talks to the adapter to find peripherals. Click the controller entry when it appears. Accept any PIN requests, commonly 0000 or 1234. Once paired, test input in devices or finish by installing controller drivers or use Steam input to map buttons, because pairing alone doesn't guarantee proper mappings in every game. Test and calibrate using Windows game controllers or a utility like DS4 Windows for PlayStation controllers. This aligns axes and dead zones. If pairing fails, repair the controller, update adapter drivers, or try another USB port. Move the controller closer to the dongle to avoid interference, and consider replacing the dongle if persistent disconnects occur. Often hardware quality causes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.